Hey YouTube, so this is going to be a quick room review. So when you walk into this room, first thing you're greeted with is a king size bed. You have a sitting area, excuse our bags, a sitting area with a little table. You have a lamp with your HVAC control. Over here by the bed, you have a pencil. Usually it's a pen. I have never seen a pencil. Um, You have a plug-in, your phone, a lamp. Then over here you have about a 55-inch TV with water, your ice bucket. You have a little mini fridge down here. In here, empty drawer. Over here, another empty drawer. Same thing, empty drawer. Um, on the other side of the bed, you have another lamp with a plug-in, some reading materials. This is the view. We're right in the front of the hotel. The railroad track is to your right. So as you walk down the hallway, which this is brick. So as you walk down the hallway, you have a chair with a fold out table. Kind of unique. Okay, so as you go down the hallway, let's see what's behind this door. That is your closet. And you have some more curtains here. And then you walk into this bathroom. Of course, to your left, you have your toilet. Then you have this huge walk-in shower and bathtub combined. And the bathtub also has a shower head on top of the bathtub. That's the controls for the shower over here. And you have your shower over here. So two people can take a shower and bath at the same time. Then you have your sink over here with gold knobs. You get your hand wash, body lotion, makeup remover, little stuff in here, another plug-in. Nice little design here with your rags or towels, more towels. Pretty good sized mirror and a robe. And that pretty much concludes this. Oh, I didn't mention this. So in the hallway, you have a plug-in here and another plug-in there. So that pretty much concludes the room review, and I will see you guys in our next video.